Got leftovers? Using them up without getting bored is an art, kind of like meal prepping, but with less planning and more creativity. When the pot pie's gone and the soup's had its turn, it's time for something simple and satisfying. 2 kinds of turkey sandwiches. Hi friend, come on in. Leftovers always seem to taste better when they're turned into something new, and these turkey sandwiches are no exception. I'm making both a cold turkey salad sandwich and a classic hot turkey sandwich, the way we always had it growing up. Let's start with the cold one. This is as quick as it gets. Dice up as much turkey as you need for your sandwich, or make a little extra if you want a few ready to go. Normally, I'd mince in some celery for crunch, but I was out, so I used a pinch of celery powder instead. Add your favorite mayo, just enough to hold it together, then season with salt and pepper. That's really all it needs. You could dress it up with a splash of vinegar for brightness, or a few herbs like sage or savory if you want a little extra flavor. This turkey salad mix also works beautifully with chicken, egg, or even chickpeas if you're going meatless. It's perfect on sandwich rolls, leftover dinner rolls, or even as a spread for wraps. If you still have cranberry sauce hanging around, try it as a spread. It pairs perfectly with the turkey. Add a slice of brie and press it like a panini for something special. Now for the hot turkey sandwich. This one's a true leftover classic in my family. We'd serve it with fries and a simple vegetable for a quick meal that felt cozy and filling. The idea is that by this stage, the mashed potatoes are long gone, if they ever lasted that long in the first place. This one comes together in minutes. Reheat your gravy, your leftover turkey, and whatever vegetables you might have, or make a quick fresh side if you prefer. Once everything's warm, lay slices of turkey over 1 slice of bread on each plate. For an open-faced sandwich, pour the gravy right over top. If you want it more substantial, add a second slice of bread before spooning on the gravy. That's it, a hot turkey sandwich. Fast, hearty, and pure comfort. 2 easy ways to enjoy turkey that come together quickly and make good use of what's already in your fridge. How do you like to enjoy your turkey leftovers? Let me know down below so we can all get new ideas. If you love learning how to repurpose leftovers or cook from your pantry, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I have more tips and techniques coming your way. Thanks for hanging out with me today.